We're on to our fourth lesson for HTML and CSS, and today we're going to look at layouts. So what I want to do first of all is open up lesson 4 task sheet from the Google Classroom. We're going to go to the first part here, and we're going to double click on that, and then you should be able to open it and select this text. So copy this text, and we're going to open up brackets. So open up brackets. You should be following along with this, guys. Thank you. So make a new file. Remember how we do it? File, new. And we must make sure we save it correctly. So file, save as. I'm going to call this one lesson 4. .html. Okay, so it should be on your desktop somewhere. I have a folder made for year 8. Here it is. I want to save it in there. Okay, so now if I paste my code, we can do edit, paste, or command V will do the same. You should have all this code in here now. You'll notice a little dot beside it here. That means it's not saved yet. You'll see where it's saved. There's a little dot here at the top. So if you want to save it, file, save. Okay. And if I want to see what that looks like at the moment, I'll go to Finder and Desktop, and then go to Year 8 HTML and open up Lesson 4. It should show me what it looks like at the moment. Okay. It's not very interesting quite yet. So go back to our task sheet. Just close that. So the first thing we want to do is put in the code for our header. It's the background. So we're going to put this in here. Okay. So just type this code in. Okay. So go back to your style sheet or your HTML page, and you should enter this information here. Okay, so go here, press enter. Okay, and we'll go back to what it says. So we're going to put in hashtag header. So shift 3 for hashtag header, and then we're going to put in our curly brackets, which is beside the letter P. Press enter. I'm going to put in background. You'll notice it'll come up on the list here. We can do background color. We can just click on that. I'm going to set it to aqua. Click on that. And make sure you put in your semicolon, which is beside the letter L. Okay. I'm going to do text align. And it's going to be in the center. Again, put in our bracket. So save that. Command S or file, save. Go back to our page here and press refresh. Okay, so now we can see already it's looking a lot better. Okay, so let's move along and let's do the next part. This is the background or the navigator at the side here. Okay, so below that one, put in hashtag again, NAV, curly brackets. We're going to put in background color. This time it's going to be yellow. Okay, we're going to set the height. You can just click there. It's going to be 300 pixel width. Could be 100 pixels. Okay. And the last part then is it's going to float to the left. So that means it's going to be on the left hand side. Okay. Make sure you put in your semicolons. Yeah, float left. Okay. So it should be all color coded now. So if you've made a mistake, just check that you have all your brackets in. You've spelled everything correctly. And save. Okay. So go back to our picture or our website, refresh, and now we see we have everything on the left here nicely sorted out. Okay, so we need to move this now. Last one. So this one is called main. So if we do hashtag main, enter, and go to what it says here. It says float left, padding 20 pixels. So we want float left, padding 20 pixels. Okay, and save. Refresh the page, and it should be done. Okay, there we go. So we've now moved things around. Looks much nicer than it was before. Okay, so